Stevon NextLevel Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. So if you're watching this right now, that's right, we are Next Level Live. Great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, everything we need for that next level life. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it, to get it done. So come on in, doing it live just like that. And I'm celebrating. So if you're watching this on the replay, you probably got real lucky because I don't plan to have a replay of this version. I plan to have something that I'm going to edit down for a final version. So you'll be able to watch that. Doing a few things. We're talking about my first 100 subscribers. Sharing with others, how did I do it? How did I finally do it? So I'm going to go through some things on that. And I'm just celebrating. I want to hang out with family. So again, I want to say thank you all for stopping by. I've got the content that I need for my final video. Be looking out for that. Can't wait to share that with you. Remember, there is no God outside of us. There's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. Nothing that needs to be done in our lives that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.